Hi viewers, welcome to Ganesh YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create welded beam with stiffness to the column in Tekla structures, just like this. Okay, let's start. Open Tekla structures with US environment. Now I'm going to create column. So click on steel and select this column and click on here to place the column. Right click on mouse interrupt. Now I'm going to create views. So click on grid, right click on mouse, create views along grid lines. Then click on create, then click on OK and click on OK. To open view list, use the shortcut Control I on your keyboard. You'll get this window like this. Now this column on grid 2. So click on this elevation on grid 2 and click on this arrow to open view. Now close this window here. Now we have a dimension from center of column to edge of beam 2 feet. So now I'm going to take a beam. So click on steel and select this beam and click on here the first point and just place the cursor on grid. Don't click on it, just place the cursor and type 2 feet on your keyboard. Then click on enter. You'll get 2 feet length beam like this from center of column to edge of this beam. Now click on this window and select this 3D view. You'll get like this. Now our scope is we need to cut this beam up to the edge of this flange and we need to weld this beam to this flange. Now we need to create stiffness at here. Instead of doing separate cut and welding and creating stiffness here, you can use the component here. So go to application components, we use the shortcut Control F. In search bar, type number 31 component. Then you will get this component, welded column number 31 component. So select this component and pick the main part as a column and pick the secondary part as a beam. Now right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, draw view and close this window. You can see now this beam is cut up to the edge of this flange and this beam is welded to this column and the stiffness also created. You can also cross check with enquiring. Select this column, right click on mouse, enquire and click on assembling. You can see now this orange color indicates the primary part and this yellow color indicates the secondary parts. These secondary parts should be welded to this column. That's why this color will be appear yellow color. Now close this window here. Now I'm going to edit this component to change the thickness and length and width of the stiffener as we required. So double click on this stiffener. You will get this window like this. By default, you will get this stiffener width and length up to the edge of these flanges. So if you want to give the gap between the stiffener and flange edge, then you can enter here. Let's take half inch. Click on modify. You can see now we have half inch gap between stiffener and flange inside surface like this. By default, we will take up to the edge of this flange. So remove this dimension, then click on modify. Now go to parts tab. In parts, you can change this thickness of the stiffener. Let's take thickness of inch. Let's take 1/4 inch. Then click on modify to see the result. You can see now we have stiffener thickness 1/4 inch. Similarly, you can change width and length. For example, if you want to change the width, by default, you will get this width up to the edge of this flange approximately. If you want to increase or reduce, then let's take here 3 inch width. Click on modify. You can see now this stiffener width should be 3 inch. For example, let's take 4 inch. Click on modify. You can see now this stiffener is outside of this flange edge. But for example, we're going to take 3.5 inch. Then click on modify. You will get like this. Okay. Let's take 3 inch 1/4. Then click on modify. You can see you'll get like this. Similarly, you can adjust the length. For example, your stiffener starts from edge of this flange to up to the middle or some specified length. Then you need to enter here. Let's take 4 inch. Then click on modify. You can see now I have the stiffener from edge of this inside flange to up to here with the specified length 4 inch. If you want to increase, you can increase from here. Let's take 6 inch. Then click on modify. You'll get like this. Okay, by default, we will take up to the edge of these two inside flanges. So remove this dimension. Now click on modify. You will get like this. This is the standard column. So we need to create chamfer at this corner of this stiffener. So click on here and select this chamfer and enter value here. Horizontal and vertical chamfer value half inch. Then click on modify. You can see now we have half inch chamfer at the corner of the stiffener like this. Now click on modify, apply, OK. Click on space, right click on mouse, redrawing. You can see you will get like this. Okay, that's it about how to create welded beam with stiffeners to the column in Tekla structures. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/GaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when uploading new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.